Hi there, so we bought this Hoover several months ago now and we absolutely love it. And we now actually feel motivated to Hoover every day. We have a lot of pets in our house, including dogs and cats, so our carpets get very full of pet hair and dirt. This Hoover is really effective, and because it is very powerful, it picks up the debris and pet hair really easily. One of the key features of this Hoover is the battery pack, which is 8-cell batteries. It can run for up to 20 minutes at full suction, which is more than enough time for us to do the whole house, but it can last up to 60 minutes depending on the suction level you are using. You can then plug it in to recharge the battery, which takes between 4 to 5 hours to fully charge back up. The Hoover also has the Smart Touch display, so you can easily change suction and see the battery level of the Hoover and so on. I also particularly love that there is a light at the bottom of the Hoover, as it really helps us to see those hard to find pet hairs or dirt that you usually find after you have finished hoovering. The design of the roller brush is also made to prevent any clogging. I also love that you can clearly see inside the dust cup and you know when to empty it by looking at how full it is, and it's really easy to just empty it and clip it back onto the Hoover. The Hoover also stands upright on its own, meaning you don't need to keep bending down to pick it back up when moving items to hoover under. We are really enjoying using this Hoover, and because of the lightweight and functional design, there's no more excuses for us not to get it out every day and whiz it round the house. I hope this video helps you, and thanks for watching.